taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Welcome to our kusina. Welcome po sa aming kusina. Kumusta po kayong lahat?
Bye.
How are you everyone? We're gonna make what do you gonna make?
Play-Doh.
We're gonna make a caramel cake.
Mama cake.
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Caramel cake. So, ito yung recipe. Okay guys, meron tayong flour, 2 egg, butter, milk, oil, and extra vanilla, baking soda, baking powder, at meron tayong sugar. This is we gonna make together, okay? Okay. Sander, take can you put the sugar please?
Okay.
Sugar, my son gonna put the sugar. Put aside. And this one's under baking soda and carbonated soda. Pinag-isa ko na guys. Okay. Mix together people.
Makeup people.
Okay. Okay guys. Extra vanilla.
Sama.
Put it down. Put it down.
Pinto.
Milk. Vegetable oil. Okay, and this is bun butter.
Butter.
Okay, and we gonna mix first. Okay, son.
It's egg.
Yeah, egg. Wait a minute. Mix together.
So make a stick.
Okay, guys. Lagay namin yung egg and then mix together. Okay.
To make a mega.
Ayan.
My egg won't eat.
Okay. Okay guys. Ayan. Already everything, the ingredient is inside. Okay. So we need to bake now guys. Okay, Sandra, mix it please properly.
Okay, butter.
Already done.
I mean the portable.
Yeah, don't worry. Mommy gonna hold, okay? Good job. Good job, Sandra. Well done, anak. Well, okay people, we're gonna put in here. And okay guys, look at this. Okay, it's ready to put in the oven. 30 minutes. Okay guys, meron tayong for topping. Meron tayong milk and butter and caramel. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dyan sa milk to caramelize, okay? Mix lang natin. Just mix it. I can put na this. Mix lang natin. Just mix it until the caramel is melty. Okay. That. I think perfect. Look amazing. Okay guys, look at that. Okay guys. This is milk, butter, caramel, salt. So just caramelize, yeah. Okay, when the cake is ready, I'm gonna put this one as for topping. Okay people, my cake is still cooking, so ayan guys, this recipe is napakasarap. Masarap to. I love salted caramel cake. Love it. Okay guys, look at that. Lagyan natin siya ng creamer on top. Oh, that look yummy, yeah. This is the whipping cream, okay? Double cream and icing sugar. Yan. Okay, people. Lagyan natin siya ng banana. Okay? Kahit saan. Lang. Look at this. Anywhere. Look at that. Amazing. Okay. Okay, guys. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin siya ng ayan. Look at this. Look delicious, people. Caramel cube. Okay. Pero lalagyan pa natin siya ng chocolate. Grated chocolate. Okay. Ayan. Amazing. Okay, guys. Ayan. Meron ako dito ng caramel. Look at that. See? Okay, guys, look at this. Amazing. Isn't it? Okay, guys, look at that. My salted caramel cake. Oh, look, yummy and delicious, people. Amazing. With banana on top, caramel, and chocolate. Look great. Okay, guys. Amazing. Okay, guys, look at that, guys. My cake. Amazing. Oh, that's wow. The sauce has already come down. Okay, guys. This is the caramel cake. Salted caramel cake. It's look delicious and yummy. On top is a chocolate topping with double cream, banana. So amazing. Good for your family, friend. Excellent for your dessert. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you like my banana cake and delicious. Have a nice day. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking cake. So, really easy to make. Fantastic. And love you all. God bless you. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Oh, look amazing. Look the caramel already coming down. Look delicious, guys. I wanted to try now. Yum, yum. Okay, guys, look at that. My salted caramel cake. Oh, look, yummy and delicious, people. Amazing. With banana on top, caramel, and chocolate. Look great.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love